What's up, y'all? Today we are making vegan Nutella. This is a really simple recipe. It's naturally sweetened, it lasts you for a while, it's just great overall. You will need some hazelnuts. I bought these 2 tiny bags, and you're going to want to put them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Just a short while so they get roasted but they don't burn. Next, you're going to need some dates. Remove the pits. Soak them in warm water for 1 to 2 hours. Once they're nice and soft, you will put your dates and your roasted hazelnuts into a food processor. I am also adding 3 tablespoons of cacao powder and a splash of almond milk. It's a lot better if you use condensed soy milk because it's thicker and sweeter, but I didn't have any today. Blend it all together and you get this creamy, delicious spread for all of the toast in the world. Hope you guys try this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'll see y'all next week.